How to make rows and columns thinner in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva presentation, you can see. So first let me insert a table here. I need to go to the element and type table. So you can see more table option here. Just select that your desired table, click it, it will be insert here. Okay, so let me insert two table to show you properly. Okay, in first method let me insert in simple text. Okay, okay, so process is you need to just first select the first cell, then hit your shift button on your keyboard, hold it and select the last cell. So you can see now we have selected all table. Okay, now right click on it, and here you can see the option called size row to contain it. That means the row size will be fit to the content. You can see same as you can make for the column. The size of this table or row or column, size has been thinner now. Okay, and the another option same, you have to just select the first cell, then select the last cell. With that you can select all table like this. Now head over to any line of cell or column, any line rows or columns, and select it, hold it, and you can simply drag up and down for rows, and for columns you can drag left or right. Okay, for column you can make minimum like this, and for rows you can minimum like 60 so whatever. Okay, and if you want to make the resize your column, whole table, then you have to hold the shift key, hit the shift key on your keyboard, hold it, select all table, click on this dot, corner dot, click on from your mouse, hold it, and you can minimize the size of table like this. Okay, without shift key don't minimize or maximize the size. It will be change your like this, it will be change your table ratio, aspect ratio, and it will be not look good. So hold the shift key, hold it, and now you can minimize or maximize the size of the table. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.